Alright, what it is, what's up you guys, it's your girl. I have no makeup on today, like no foundation. All I did was brows and lashes, so save the catfish comments, I don't want to hear them. I got sent this hair by ft.dyhair777 and it came in this cute ass little bag, and basically what we're gonna do is dye it pink. This company was nice enough to send me this 613 wig. It's a bob cut and it just comes in a package like this. It's super cute. This is their little card. This is how it looks out the packaging. It's really soft actually. We're gonna see if we could do the watercolor method on this wig, and it's my first time, so honestly we're gonna be testing this out together. This is what the inside looks like. It has combs and the adjustable strap. I really wanted to try a bright color on this wig. I did a little poll on Instagram asking you guys if I should do green, like a slimy green, or a hot pink, and of course everyone voted for slime green, but honestly I wanted to do pink because Valentine's Day is coming up, so I wanted to do something cute for Valentine's Day. So I got 2 bottles of the Kiss Colors hair dye, and it's in Hawaiian Fire. I have this container here also. And I filled it with hot water. Alright y'all, so I have my gloves on and I just have some dusty old clothes that I don't care if I get stained. I laid out some garbage bags on my carpet. So in the videos I've seen, they just put some hot water in there and then start putting the hair dye in. So that's what I'm finna do. Ooh. I have both bottles of hair dye in the tub, so I don't think it's gonna be enough, but we're gonna try it anyway. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to the beauty supply. Alright, so in the videos that I've seen, people dip it in and then usually let it set, or like let it soak for like 20 minutes, like half hour. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mix it around for another little while, just make sure all the hair is getting, you know, saturated and whatnot, and then I'm just gonna let it soak. So I'll see you guys when I come back. Alright y'all, so I'm back, but the color is not motherfucking taken how I thought it would. It's looking like this, and it's a little too bright pink. I wanted it to be a more fuchsia color. The color is actually sticking to the wig pretty well, and it's like pretty even, so that's cool. But I do want it to be a little darker than this. Like this is a little bit too hot pink for me. Yeah, so I literally just ran to the beauty supply real quick and I copped 2 more colors. And I think I'm gonna mix it with this fuchsia color because I do want it to be more purpley. I'm just gonna do the whole bottle of this fuchsia color to really get the overall color a lot darker. So let's just do this whole thing. Now it's been like half an hour. And it's honestly looking like the color that I wanted it to be from the jump. It's like this purpley fuchsia pink color. So I kind of just want to rinse it off with like some cold water so the color really sticks, and because it's really like super foamy from all the dye we use. Yeah, the coverage is super even throughout as far as I can see. I'll get a better look of it when it's nice and dry. I just rinsed the hair out in the shower, so this is what it looks like. It's looking pretty dusty. It's still semi-wet. I just like towel dried it. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do with the wig. I don't really know a lot about wigs, but yeah, this is just towel dried, so I'm gonna like try to brush it out and make it look cute, and I'm gonna install this baby for y'all.
Hey, what it is, what's up you guys, it's your girl on the voiceover. But basically I'm just combing through all the knots because I put this wig through hell just now, wishing it around in the water for like an hour. So now I'm gonna put my wig cap on. As you can see, I have my hair cornrowed back, and I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. It did get slightly stained, but the lace is all good. It didn't affect the lace at all, so that's cool. So I'm just gonna insert the back comb first, then flip the shit over, boom, and then insert the front combs as best as I can. And this is when I really fell in love with the wig. Like, ooh, so cute. Make sure your wig cap is all the way up to the front. My roots are growing in, so the black of my hair is kind of peeking through, so that sucks, but whatever. Alright, so it's time to cut the lace off, so grab your little safety scissors and snip that off real quick. Don't forget to clip your hair back before you snip off your baby hairs. Try to cut it as close to the hairline as possible. I believe this wig came with baby hairs already, so I was trying so hard not to like cut them off. I'm gonna give myself a nice even middle part, although it does end up being on the side. I used Got to Be Ultra Glued to lay my wig down. So this is the first layer. And I just put it straight out of the bottle. Put a nice even thin layer at first, all around my forehead, around my edges without getting my hair. Put your blow dryer on a cool setting. And then wait for it to dry a little bit. You want the gel to start getting tacky but not completely dry. And now it's time for the second layer. This one I put on a little bit more thick. And then I ended up smoothing it out with the flat side of my comb. My comb is broken, y'all, don't mind that. And then you're gonna hit it with the blow dryer on cool once again. Y'all, my lashes were literally falling off throughout this whole video. Please don't watch that. Please don't comment, because I know that shit looks crazy. But yeah, now it's time to lay the wig on top of the glue. And I was struggling with this part a little bit because the baby hairs kept getting caught underneath the wig and onto the glue, and I was just like, oh lord. But yeah, just start pressing it down all along your edges or along the glue. As you can see, the baby hairs was getting caught up everywhere, bro. I was really struggling. Yeah, don't do what I did. I laid my shit way too low. It looks like I have no forehead. So watch me push that back. Boom. Genius. But yeah, just press down all the way around. You want to make sure that shit is secure. You don't want none of your real hair showing because that'd be a dead giveaway. And I'm just pulling my baby hairs out from underneath. Literally pulling the shit out of them. And I'm gonna grab these, and with a little like eyebrow razor thingy, I'm just gonna slice them up and make them nice and short so I can work with them. And with my toothbrush, I dipped it in the Got to Be glue and then started swooping them up. Looking cute. Let your hair down. As you can see, my wig ended up with more of a side part than a middle part. I don't know when or where that happened or why, but whatever. I just rolled with it. Alright, girl, looking cute.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I know my install skills need work, and I know I need to plug a little bit more on the hairline. It's a little bit too full, but it's all good. I basically just styled it by putting like a big glob of gel and just like scrunching it up real quick to give kind of like that wet look, and I think it's super cute. I've been getting compliments all day on it. I just got back from thrifting actually, so you're gonna see this hair in a thrift video as well. But yeah, I fuck with it. I think it's cool. It's very bright. It's different. I like it. So Hopefully you guys liked it too. All details for the wig are gonna be down below. Honestly, the watercolor method was so fucking easy. The hair, like the dye distributed it super evenly throughout the whole head. So honestly, if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend because it's super easy. And it was pretty fun, honestly. I felt like I was doing like a little science experiment the whole time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Follow my Instagram if you don't already. And I love you guys so much. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.